Are online Quran reading classes suitable for beginners? Yes, online Quran reading classes cater to learners of all levels, including beginners. Qualified teachers provide step-by-step guidance, ensuring that students understand the basics of Quranic Arabic, Tajweed, and pronunciation. Online classes often offer customized lesson plans and personalized instruction to accommodate the unique needs and pace of each learner. How can I ensure the credibility of an online Quran reading program? It is important to assess the credibility of an online Quran reading program before enrolling. Factors to consider include checking the reputation of the program, reading student reviews and testimonials, and verifying the qualifications and expertise of the teachers. Additionally, reputable programs may offer free trial classes or sample lessons to give potential students a glimpse of the learning experience. Can online Quran reading classes provide the same level of interaction and feedback as in-person classes? Yes, online Quran reading classes prioritize interactive learning and provide ample opportunities for students to engage with their teachers. Virtual classrooms often include features such as video conferencing, chat functions, and interactive whiteboards to facilitate real-time communication and interaction. Teachers also provide feedback on student progress and offer individualized guidance to ensure effective learning.